Every Windows 11 user should know about this free optimization utility. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. WinToys is a Windows optimization and customization tool available on the Microsoft Store. It helps debloat, optimize, repair, and tweak Windows for improved performance and usability. You can click on download button or you can view in a store as well. And after that, you can open that exe folder and install on your device. Once you download Windows and install on your device, you can easily view system specs, performance score, and resource users like CPU, GPU, and memory. You can also go to app management or before that, click on the three-line icon at top left corner. Now get into apps. Here you will see all the application that has been installed on your device. So depending upon internet connection, it will take a few time to load. You can easily view all the application. You can uninstall apps easily. Note, cannot remove the Microsoft Edge from this app's application. It is the built-in application. Now let's get on the services section. From here you can easily start or stop running services with filters for better management. Let's dive into performance settings. You can enable ultimate performance plans recommended for the desktop. Also, you can manage GPU scheduling and virtual-based security settings. Further, you can toggle the startup apps and disable unnecessary background processes as well. Also, you can easily customize transparency, visual effects, and desktop icons, enable classic context menus, and enhance wallpaper quality. Also, you can easily go and open the Help tab, and here you can easily start the first startup, drive optimization, hibernation. Also, you can click on app updates and automatically download and install the app updates. You can simply click on the tweaks and personalize the desktop, improve the performance, and enhance the visuals. Even you can manage the privacy settings and disable telemetry data collection and ads. You can go to system settings and toggle mouse acceleration, clipboard history, and user account control. Enable print screen snap. You can go to spotlight images, extract images that appears on your lock screen. So WinToys centralizes privacy, ads, and system tweaks for an optimized Windows experience. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.